What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the critical numbers. Determine whether the critical number represents a local maximum, local minimum, or neither. So the derivative of f of x is f prime x is 4x cubed minus 4x. Make it equal to 0. Then you factor 4x, which is going to be x squared minus 1 equals to 0. And when you factor it more, it's going to be 4x times x minus 1 times x plus 1. You know, critical numbers are those numbers that make the f prime, which is the first derivative of f of x, equals to 0 or undefined. So as you see here, we're going to have three numbers that make f prime x equals to 0. One of them x equals to 0, one of them x equals to negative 1, one x equals to positive 1, as you see here. So these are the critical points. And here it says determine whether the critical number represents the local maximum, local minimum, or neither. How do we figure out? If to the left of a number we have function increasing and then it's decreasing, we are dealing with maximum. If it was decreasing and then increasing, we're going to have local minimum. So what we need to do, we have 4x, x minus 1, x plus 1, f prime, and the points are negative 1, 0, and positive 1, negative infinity, positive infinity, and the number is going to be divided into 4 regions, 1, 2, 3, and 4 regions. One region is going to be from negative infinity to negative 1, another one from negative 1 to 0, then from 0 to 1, then you have 1 to infinity. You have negative 2 here. We're going to assume some numbers for each region. Negative 0.5 in here, positive 0.5 here, and positive 2 in here. Because we need to find out in each region, are we dealing with positive f prime or negative f prime. If f prime is positive, it means that the function is increasing in that region. If f prime is negative, it means that the function is decreasing in that region. So when you sub negative 2 is going to be negative, when you sub negative 2 is going to be negative, negative 2 is going to be negative, negative times negative times negative is going to be negative. Then you have negative 0.5 times 4, negative, negative, positive. So negative times negative times positive is going to be positive. Then you have 0.5 times 4 is going to be plus, negative, positive. Positive times negative times positive is going to be negative. Then plus 2, 4 times plus 2 is plus, plus, plus. So multiplication of 3 pluses is going to be plus. So f prime is negative, then positive, then negative, then positive. It means that here is decreasing, increasing, decreasing, and increasing. So we have 2 minimum points and 1 maximum. So we have 2 local min and 1 local max. 2 local means at x equals to negative 1 and plus 1. And local max is at x equals to 0. That's gonna be the answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.